It's your boy Flex. Anyway, welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. So today I'm gonna do some.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
I'm gonna press up some dogs shirts. Yeah, I love doing dog product, you know. They're right behind me. Basically that's it. So I'm gonna not do too much talking. I'm just gonna focus on printing up these dog shirts and let you guys see. You know, let's check out what it's pretty simple. It's just basically the pet names I'm gonna put on a t-shirt. That's about it. It's nothing too special, but you know, so let's get into this. All right, guys, subscribe to the channel. All right, let's get into this. Anyway, so this is what these are their names, the pet name. All right, so this, I'm using this vinyl that I'm using right now. This is the B-FLEX Gimme5. I'm gonna use the white vinyl. This is the black vinyl. I guess you could see it, but this is the black vinyl I'm gonna use, and this is from Econo Transfer. This is their black vinyl, so this is what I'm gonna use. And the shirts, get this cutting board out of the way. And I'm gonna do a red. This is a red pet shirt and two gray pet shirts. All right, so let's just go press it because I already cut those out. So let's go press it, baby. Let's go. So I got everything packed up, not packed up, but these are all the dogs. T-shirt, ready to be, you know, put in a shipping bag and shipped out today to my lovely customer. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a little bit what I do day to day. You know, I print up dog t-shirts and stuff like that, and that's it, you know. So anyway, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share the video, drop your boy a comment. Any question, hit up my Instagram, hit up my TikTok. All right, so I'll make more dog videos in the future, and if anybody want me to tell them the source where to get the dog t-shirt, I can make a video on it. So anyway, your boy is out.